little chefs. Welcome to the fankiest kitchen in town. Put on your aprons, grab your bowls, 'cause today we're cooking up an A to Z funky show. But first tap the subscribe button and become a little orange friend. Are you ready? Let's turn the kitchen into a beat. 1, 2, 3, let's cook with me. A is for apron, tied up tight. Cooking in the kitchen feels just right. B is for bowl, spin it around. Mixing makes a super fun sound. C is for cupcakes, soft and sweet. Yummy little treats we love to eat. D is for dishes, shiny and bright. Stack them up, oh what a sight. E is for eggs, crack, crack, crack. Watch the yellow yolk jump back. F is for fork, tap, tap, tap. Dancing on the table like a funky rap. G is for griddle, sizzling hot. Flip those pancakes on the spot. H is for honey, golden flow. Drizzle on your toast. Hello! I is for ice cream, creamy and cool. Kitchen party, sweetness rule. J is for jar, filled with jam. Spread it on bread, thank you ma'am. K is for kettle, whistling loud. Steaming like a fluffy cloud. L is for lemon, sour and bright. Add a little squeeze, taste feels right. M is for muffins, warm and small. Fresh from the oven for one and all. N is for napkin, fold it neat. Wipe your hands before you eat. O is for oven, glowing warm. Baking cookies is the norm. P is for peeler, scrape and slide. Peeling veggies side by side. Q is for quartz top, shiny and clean. Best looking kitchen you've ever seen. R is for rolling, pin round and smooth. Roll that dough with a funky groove. S is for spatula, flippin' style. Cooking fun that makes you smile. T is for toaster, pop, pop, pop. Warm bread jumping to the top. U is for utensils, clang and ring. Kitchen tools that love to sing. V is for vinegar, splash so light. Add a tiny drop, just right. W is for whisk, swish, swish, swish. Mixing up a perfect dish. X is for extra spice, sprinkle slow. Add a funky flavor glow. Y is for yogurt, creamy delight. Healthy snack, morning or night. Z is for zesty, pizza, cheesy fun. Kitchen party, everyone! Ooh, ooh. Great job, little chefs! You cooked your A to Z funk like superstars. Aprons off, house smiles on. This kitchen is always open for fun. Don't forget to come back for more yummy rhymes and funky beats. See you next time. Bye-bye, little chef!
Choo-choo train goes down the track. Letters are fun, no turning back. A is for all, aboard come play. The choo-choo train is on its way. Clap your hands, say A, A, A. We'll learn our letters every day. B is for bell, it rings so bright. Ding, 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 what a happy sight. C is for clouds, white and high. They float and dance across the sky. D is for driver, kind and neat. He waves hello from his driver's seat. Choo-choo train goes down the track. Letters are fun, no turning back. Chug, chug, chug and toot, toot, toot. Learning is fun with me and you. E is for engine, puffing steam. It rolls along, a happy dream. F is for forest, green and tall. We hear the birds, they sing and call. G is for giggle, kids say yay. Laughing loud all through the way. H is for hill, we climb up high. Then zoom back down beneath is for island, small and round, with coconut trees all around. J is for journey, long and sweet, so many friends we love to meet. K is for kite, flying up high, it waves hello to the bright blue sky. L is for lake, shiny and wide, we see our train on the water side. Choo-choo train goes clickety-clack, learn your letters, no turning back. Toot-toot cheer, we're on our way, letters make us laugh and play. M is for mountain, tall and proud, it touches the sky and hides in cloud. N is for nest, with eggs so small, baby birds chirp, they start to call. O is for orange, juicy and round, we eat and laugh, what a happy sound. P is for platform, people cheer, the choo-choo train is finally here. Choo-choo train goes down the track, colors and letters come right back. A to P, hooray, hooray, let's learn more along the way. Q is for quack, ducks all play, they splash and laugh the whole long day. R is for rainbow, bright and wide, it paints the sky with colors pride. S is for station, neat and clean, the best little place we've ever seen. T is for tracks, shiny and long, they sing a clackety letter song. Choo-choo train goes toot and hum, here we come, we won't be glum. Letters dance from Q to T, fun for you and fun for me. U is for umbrella, red and blue, it keeps us dry, me and you. V is for valley, green and deep, where cows and goats and donkeys sleep. W is for wind, soft and free, it sings a song through every tree. X is for Santa-Fan, click and play, the music train goes all the way. Choo-choo train says choo-choo cheer, letters sound so sweet to hear. I to X, we're nearly done, learning letters is such fun. Y is for yawn, the night is near, the stars come out so bright and clear. Z is for zoom, our ride is slow, good night friends, it's time to go. Choo-choo train went A to Z, now we know our ABC. Clap your hands and sing hooray, we'll ride again another day.
Hello kids, let's learn our A to Z phonics. Sing with me and clap along. A is for apple, 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 apple. B is for butterfly, 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 butterfly. C is for cat, cat, cat. D is for dog, dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for horse, horse, horse. I is for igloo, igloo. Toad is for jelly, jelly. L is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest.
juicy, sweet, and red. B is for ball, bouncing high above your head. C is for cat, soft paws and gentle purr. D is for dinosaur, roaring feet that stir. E is for elephant, big ears and trunk so long. F is for fish, swimming fast and strong. G is for guitar, strumming songs so bright. H is for hat, a funny hat just right. I is for igloo, chilly, icy, white and round. J is for jelly, wiggly, jiggly, yum, what a sound. K is for kite, flying high up in the sky. L is for lion, roaring loud, oh my. La 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 la. M is for monkey, swinging from a tree. N is for nest, cozy home for baby bird to be. O is for octopus with arms so many. P is for pumpkin, orange, plump and friendly. Q is for queen with crown and regal grace. R is for rainbow, bright colors we embrace. S is for sun, shining warm and bright. T is for tiger, stripes bold, a fearless sight. U is for umbrella, open when skies are gray. V is for violin, violin tunes that make you sway. W is for whale, deep in the ocean blue. X is for x-ray, bones inside for me and you. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down with spin. Z is for zebra, stripes black and white akin. Let's sing the letters A, B, C, up to Z with glee. We'll learn our English letters A to Z, come learn with me. Let's sing the letters A, B, C, up to Z with glee. We'll learn our English letters A to Z, come learn with me. Let's sing the letters A, B, C, up to Z with glee. We'll learn our English letters A to Z, come learn with me. Let's sing the letters A, B, C, up to Z with glee. We'll learn our English letters A to Z.